morning, guys. Yeah, last night it was late, like while coming back from Sula, so I couldn't film the tour of the place. So, so it's the morning, so I'll show you around the property. So, like, it's like a really nice property. If you're looking for something secluded outside the city, you can book this place. It's really nice. This is like last time I came to Igatpuri, I like wanted to visit this place. So now I'm here, so I'm really excited. So let me show you around. So guys, so this is the property I'm staying at, and it's called Wabi Sabi. It's in Igatpuri. So let me show you that. It's beautiful. Ta-da! Look, it's written Wabi Sabi. It's pretty. Yay! Such a nice weather here. So like there are many places to like sit and relax, as you can see. So it's like such a nice place to relax. So it's beautiful. Okay, so guys, there are different sets of rooms available, like suite stands. There's royal suite, premium suite, and then superior suite. The one that you can see behind me, these are the suite stands. Yes, even this looks pretty. Yes, so you can book accordingly, whatever is your preference. Yes. So guys, right now I'm here in the pool area, and then like, it's really refreshing. The weather is really nice. You can just relax here and then enjoy. Let me show you that. Ta-da! Look at that. That's and then you get like a very nice view from here. So, yay! Hello guys, so let me finally give you the room tour that you guys must have been waiting for. So let me show you. So once you open the gate, the moment you come, you see this like an aesthetic common room, and look at the ceiling, and here's like a window. Ta-da! We get like a beautiful view from here. Ta-da! Paintings, you get a mini TV. I'll show you that later. But then first come the bedroom. So guys, let me show you the view now. Set up this beautiful table where you can just sit and enjoy the view. guys, I'm finally back to my place. That is Mumbai. So it was such a nice experience. I'm really happy about the trip. Likewise, I'll see you very soon again. Chalo, bye.